everyone, welcome to this stream. My name is Aurélien and we'll be looking at Fedora infrastructure applications this time again. All right, hello everyone. So this is it's usually a live stream that I do on Twitch on Fridays at 13 UTC. No wait, it's 14 UTC. Yeah, I guess it's 14 UTC now. Well, you can look at it on Twitch and look for the chain name Aurélien and you'll find me. Okay. All right. Let me make sure that everything is set up. Okay. There seems to be a polling widget in the way. It's kind of weird to have it here, but maybe I made a mistake somehow. Meh. There's apparently a polling widget on the left, but I have no poll running, so I don't know why it's there. Maybe you can see it, I don't know. Anyway, all right, let me start. So I'm gonna share my screen. Where is that command? Yes, let's share it. All right, hello. Okay, you should be able to see everything here. I'm gonna, oh, I forgot to put that on top. Keep it on top. Okay, so you should be able to see the screen. I hope it's visible enough. Like, did I zoom in enough, or is it too small? Yeah, hopefully you can read that. There's my face in the corner. Yeah, it's kind of weird to have that here, but it's okay. I mean, you're here to see the screen, not really my face, so it's all right. Okay. And hopefully this is zoomed in enough and you can read. If you don't, say something in the chat and I'll zoom in. Okay. So what do we have today? There's a few things that we can look at, and one of them is the usual stuff, you know, easy fixes. Have a look at what bugs have been opened in the Fedora Infra repos and see if we can fix something there. All right, let's see. Let's look. So this is assigned data grepper page to list all the topics. Yep, we could do that. It's not really an ask, like, oh yeah, it's somewhat of an ask. Like, there's people who have been asking for that for a while. So I guess we could have add this page. It's gonna be like I would list all the topics for the past weeks, because the rest is going to be harder to get from data number. But at one point I hope to do something even better with that and get have a materialized view of all the topics that we could query directly. Would be great. Anyway, so data number, that's a ticket about adding an API option that isn't there at the moment, and it hasn't really been asked by anybody, so it's been sitting there for a while, but nobody is really asking for it. It's just that the data is there in the database and we have no way to query it at the moment, which is a bit unfortunate, but like, it's not an urgent thing to fix. Okay, that is packaging for that JSON. Okay, this is worked on by someone already. Stunt Crier, yeah. Yeah, I need to think about that one. So I'm not entirely sure about that one yet. This is UI, this is documentation. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be a little bit too big for the time we have today, unfortunately. But I'm happy to help anyone who wants to work on that. Moat, Pag your exporter. Okay. Replace the batch builder form. Okay. Yep. It's not really urgent because I don't think anybody's using that form. Town crier. Sort badge holders named alphabetically. This would be very easy. I mean, that's really something that somebody who's interested in badges could have a look at. It will make them set up the environment, the development environment, which is a very good thing, so that they can contribute to more things in the future. So I think this 382 ticket is a good first issue. All right, CSV submission. I think we have that already. I need to check, but it's been open for a very long time. Badges month. Okay, yep, that's a fix that we could do. Okay. There isn't any very big issues. Let me check my GitHub notifications to see if there's something new there that I haven't flagged as good first issue. Okay, I use this a lot actually, this GitHub notifications thing. So it helped me keep on top of all the things that happen in our applications. All right, this has been updated by Renovate. That's cool. Fix the packet config. Oh, okay. Well, let me look at that. Oh, okay. Oh, it's Apple-9. Okay. Well, cool. That looks good. They apparently know about packets more than I do, though. So, cool. These Git branches, that's... Oh, yeah. Okay, that's because the metadata key is gone. Okay, good. Thanks. Okay, that's a good one. So that's done. Well, it's not really done, but I think, if I understand correctly, I think that Mergify is going to merge it. Am I wrong? Oh. Rule default plus default from... Yeah, wait, what? What's this? Huh. Okay, what's going on? Repository rule violation found. Okay. Yeah, but that's optional. It's all good. This branch must not contain merge commits. I have merge commits in the branch? Oh, wait, it contains merge commits? No. Nah, that's not merge commits. Let's rebase and merge it. Okay. Okay, good. Next. Yeah, what's that? It's an update to rough pre-commit. Yeah, nothing to discuss here. If it's passing, then I'll just merge it. Good. Okay. What's this one? Same stuff for Fedora messaging. Okay, is it still passing? Yeah, it's running. Okay. Yeah, of course, because I merged something else, so it's going to rerun all CI. Okay, yeah, I'm interested in that one. That's a ticket I've opened recently. that happens on... Ah, yeah. Okay. Similar issue with Flask and mod WSGI 500. The 500 indeed seems to fix the problem. Okay, cool. Okay, so I can update. There's a problem. We have a problem updating. Hey, Alex Durrell. Do you already cover initial development environment bootstrap in detail and prove Steam documentation? Yes, but it's a very old one. It's I think it's one of the first ones. Basically, what you need to learn about is tiny stage. What is tiny stage? Good question. Tiny stage is some sort of development environment. Wait, just a minute. Oh, it's tiny stage with a dash. That's why I didn't find it. Yeah, so tiny stage is a set of Vagrant VMs. So if you've ever used Vagrant before, it's basically a way to set up virtual machines with QEMU. It's not containers, it's actual virtual machines. So this environment sets up a few virtual machines that are necessary for authentication. So what you can do is download that repo and run Vagrant up. And it'll set up FreeIPA, Noggin, FastJSON, Epsilon for authentication, and a few other things that are useful for authentication. And then once you have that, you can run the Vagrant up command in the repo that you wanted to work on. Most of our repos are using Vagrant for development environment, so you should be all set with that. Some of them aren't using that, but most of them are using it. And I know Vagrant is kind of obsolete now for two reasons. First, HashiCorp has closed its source, so yeah, we need to migrate away from it. And secondly, I would like for us to use containers instead, because that is much lighter weight from a memory standpoint. So I would much rather use containers rather than virtual machines, but the conversion from one to the other is not easy. In our system, everything is done by Ansible, and it's very practical, and it's not easy to translate that to containers. But I'm working on it. So one day, tiny stage is going to be containers instead of virtual machines. There's a few things that I want to retain, notably the possibility to change the source code inside the VM or container. And for VMs it's easy. For containers it's much harder. So yeah. I'm still trying to move away from Vagrant into containers. But at the moment, it's Vagrant and it's VMs. So it's consuming a little bit more memory than I would like, but that's how it is. And then all applications, for example, Noggin has documentation on how to set that up, but it's basically about setting this beast up, and the rest should go. All right. Okay. So yeah, so somebody has worked on that. So we can't really upgrade Koji at the moment because of this error. But thankfully, it's going to be fixed. It's going to be fixed soonish. Or maybe it's already fixed and we just need to update, which is even better. So what's that? In Fedora messaging? Yeah. So, okay. Oh, yeah, so it fails here. Build failed. That's because all is not sorted. Okay, that's new errors that we didn't have before, and we'll have to fix that. Can do that another time. Okay. Update dependencies. Okay. Let me check if it all went well. It didn't go well. So what's that? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's new rules that... Yeah, okay. Yeah, that should be easy to fix. It's just linting. I could do that now, by the way. Yeah, let me do that now. So what I have here is an update that doesn't pass. So I'm going to look at Mirror Manager 2, the project. So it's going to be in Apps Mirror Manager. Right. Am I on a branch? I'm on the master branch. Okay. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to check out this update 417. This is using pool. This is using Git PR branch, which is a small helper tool that I wrote. Let me show you where it's at. It's a small helper tool that I wrote to check out pull requests and test them in a repo. The plan is to check out your pull request in separate branches, and it will create different branches when you have updates to the pull request that you are reviewing. I'm reviewing a lot of pull requests because it's part of my job, and so I wanted to have a tool that will let me see the differences between a pull request in one revision and the same pull request in a further revision, so I can diff between them, even if the person has rebased all the changes. So it's only one commit. Okay, so I have this. Let me check that it actually fails for real. What do I have? Yes, let me run the lint environment and see if that goes well. So it is installing right now. Okay. Yes, I have the same errors. Okay, let's fix that. So what do you say here? Organize imports. Well, oh wait, you can fix that yourself. Yeah, one fixable error. Let's do the fixable error by itself. So do I have the option in tox.ini to pass more arguments? Yes, I do. So I could do something like this, and it should work. Why it's not reusing the same environment, I don't know, but I guess that's how it is. Okay, one fix, two remaining. Let's fix that. Let's fix the remaining ones. So there's something in the reporter line 97 formats up. They don't want us to use the % format. That's cool. And that's the same thing in the rsync connector line 64. So I have lines 97 and 64. Okay, let's go there. Host has been disabled after blah, 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 blah. Yeah. Maybe that's gonna be too long, but that's, yeah. It's called auto disabled, fine. And now I am at, yeah, it's still not too large. Good. Host has been disabled after blah, blah, blah. Okay. And the other one was 64, no? Yes. Oh, it's a log line. So I can just do this. Yeah. What do you say now? Run rough and tell me what you see. Okay. What's my mistake? No way. I made a typo? Auto underscore disable. Oh, disabled, not disabled. Okay, got it. Sorry about that. Do it. And it's long, and it's long, and it's long, and it's long. Okay, that works. Okay. Fix two linting errors. Okay. And now I can push that, and I'm going to push that to the pull request itself. Okay. So here in this pull request, I now see that I have this commit that has been appended, and it's gonna run CI again. Okay, that's good. What else do we have? FMN, update dependency TypeScript to, okay, that might be bigger, so I'm gonna leave that one away. Upgrade dependency amplify unplugin view AI18N to v6. Yeah, it's a major change. So it's not automatically merging this, even though all tests pass, because we don't want. I've said it that way. I don't want to auto merge major releases because there might be backwards incompatible changes. So I'm going to look at them now. Is that all? Okay. Well, that's not a big change. Is it a backwards incompatible change? That's weird. Strange. I'm just gonna merge it. Auto merge it when it's done. Sorry, just a minute. I'm wondering if there's. Yes, that might be for me. I'm gonna pause the stream for a minute. Sorry about that. And I'm back. Yeah, sorry about that. I had a delivery at the worst possible time, as always. Okay, so let us go back to that. Oh, that's all the tests have run. That's good. What are we talking about? Yeah, V6. Okay, good. All right, let's. I'm gonna ask it to rebase and run the tests again. But yeah, I mean that's a small. That's maybe something that doesn't really touch us. ESM. Okay. Anyway, let's move to the next one. What's that? Pre-commit stuff. Okay. Yeah, did it break the tests? Yes. Yes, it did. Probably new stuff being checked. Oh yeah, exactly. What's this error? Oh yeah, it's importing from, okay, it wants the iterator from collections.abc and not typing. Okay, good, good, good. Let me do that. So that's in SQL Alchemy helpers. I'm gonna move to that one. Well, what about the mirror manager one? Has it been run already? Where is it? Yes. Yes. Okay, it's already merged. Good. Okay. Let's go to SQL Alchemy helpers. Oh. Okay. Huh. Interesting. Typing is wrong, but it's also it's also where the fix is happening. So fast API. Okay, so it wants me to use collections.abc instead of typing. Very well. I'm just gonna do that. Yes, SQL Alchemy helpers, fast API. It's not typing, it's collections.abc. Very well. Oh yeah. Yes, I'm just gonna push that change. As part of the previous commit. How's everybody doing today? Besides that. Good. Let's push that, and when that's done, this PR is going to rebase. I think it's going to rebase automatically, and since it should pass this time, then I guess it should disappear from my radar. Yeah, it's not up to date. Okay, so update it please, and let's go to the next one. So what else do we have? How about Fedora? Oh, there's another one on SQL Alchemy helpers. Okay, good, good. So what's that? About Fedora? Yeah, really nothing major, nothing to see here. Just merge it and don't worry. It fails on CI and deployment. Okay, what's the error? Pretty sure it's gonna be... Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it to Ryan to handle that because he's been working on that himself. So he's more an owner of the repo than I am. So I think I should let him do it. Anyway. What's this one? Mother Fedora. Okay, that's the one that I talked about. What is this one? SQL can be helpers. Update the dependencies in log file. Okay, it's all good, right? Oh no, there's errors. Okay. So what's that? Python 3.10 SQL Alchemy 1. Why is it failing? Ooh. Okay. Ah, okay. Empty host. Okay, it doesn't like the empty host. Okay, type URL passing. Okay. Okay. I can accept that. That's a... So in the typing in SQL Alchemy helpers, there's a place where I define a setting. Like it's for Fast API really, but I define a setting in Pydantic and I tell it that the database URL should be a URL, a proper URL. But it's now checking that there's a host and there is no host. Okay, so let's see if Pydantic can disable that check. Pydantic. So what are the types? Migration guide, probably in the API documentation, I would say. Pydantic types, very well. Probably something about URL somewhere. It's any URL. It's called any URL. I could use my eyes to search, or I could use Control F. Or, yeah. Wait. URL, thank you. No, not this one. Not you. No, not you, not you, not you. Huh. Network types, maybe? Oh, yes. Any URL. Okay. 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 But it does want me to have a... Oh, wait. What is this? So how do you... Okay. Host required. Good, good, good. That's what I wanted. How do I use these constraints? How do I use that? How do I use this? Wait, what? Okay, let us download this update. We are talking about pull request 495. Is that the one? No, that's not the one. That's... What is it? Yes, that's the one. In... Okay, 495. 495. Very well. So now if I run, let's say, any of them, by the way, they should all fail. All the intests should fail. Let me just run the latest one. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. So how do I ask my model? So it's in Fast API, right? Test API, I have this setting here. It's any URL, it accepts sys, and I want it to accept the let's just say, sorry, I want the host to not be required. How do I do that? Please, Pydantic. Defined constraints. Property. Oh. Wait. How do I... How do I say that I want this? I don't really use that a lot. Do you have examples? It would be so great to have examples. Oh, okay. That's how you do it. Annotated. Okay. You do that with annotations. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so. Okay, you do that with annotations. Okay, it would have been nice to have this documented somewhere. Somewhere closer to where I'm looking for it because I'm lazy. Okay, that's my fault. All right. Anyway, let's go to this. So I suppose I could get URL constraints from there. Right, and I could say from, okay. Annotated, okay. How is it called? Host required. I suppose that's how you do it. Let me check if that helps. I could have just rerun the tests that were failing. It's still erroring out. Empty hosts. Okay. Oh. Wait, maybe I did that wrong. Yes. That's my mistake. It's the typing, not the default error. Not the default value, I mean. Try, oh no, let me try to be a little bit smarter this time. Let's see if those tests work well first. Blah, blah, blah. 2 errors. Still the same error? Okay. Hmm. Maybe I'm using that wrong. It's not URL constraints. Okay, how do you do that? There you go. Oh. Okay. You need a type adapter. Okay. Okay, maybe I did that wrong. Well, it's very likely that I did it wrong, but pydentic type adapter. Right, it's from pydentic, right? Where is it? Yes. Okay. So now I am defining the new type. It's called db URL, and it's defined as this. Okay, so now my URL is going to be a db URL. And you too. And you are too. Okay. Oh yes, and I needed a type adaptation, right? How do you do that? Type adapter. Oh, I'm not sure. Okay. List annotated blah blah blah, and you have it. Okay, I don't need the type adapter. Okay, that's... Yeah, I don't need the type adapter. In theory, I shouldn't need the type adapter. Let's see if that works. Doesn't feel like I've done anything differently, but we'll see. What's the type adapter exactly? Is it defined here? Can you read that actually? I should make it a little bit better, bigger. Okay. Still failing. Empty hosts. Doesn't look like it's doing anything. So I'm defining a DB URL that is a version of any URL that has URL constraints. Okay, that's not very clear. Yeah. Let's try this example, by the way. Okay, let's try this. Just basically, okay, Python. Okay, import typing. Oh yeah, no, that's not what I need to do. Directory, run Python. Okay. Import typing. Okay. From pydentic import any URL. Right? Right. Oh. Wait, what? Pydantic? Of course it's there. You kidding me? Oh, it's only used in the tests. I'm sure it's that. Yeah, okay, that's why. Okay. So my tox environment, let's use the tox environment then. So .tox so I'm gonna try and do the same thing here. So I have this db URL, which is an annotated version of pydantic.any URL. And I want it with pydantic dot how did I call that? URL constraints of how was it called? Memory. Yes, that's where it was. Host required. That's my annotation. Oh yeah. Of course. Yes. So now I need to do, what did they do? The typing adapter. Yeah, there it is. TA equal typing, no, type adapter. Yeah. So pydantic.type adapter of db URL. Cool. And now ta.validate Python memory. No. SQLite memory. Do it. Oh, it works. Okay, what about pydantic.any URL? Oh yes, that's where it fails. Oh yes, of course. So what about db URL? Didn't I just define that? Not pydantic.db URL, just db URL. Ah, yes, that fails. It shouldn't fail, really. Why did it work before? Ah, yeah, I was just using a string. So the string works. It converts that to any URL, but that's not really what I wanted. I want a db URL. db URL is this. So what if I do db URL of scribe? Shouldn't have to fiddle like this. What's wrong with this? So how do we annotate things? field. Ah, yes. Okay. Wait. I am so bad with typing in Python. It's terrible. Name type aliases. Okay. So I have this. I have the when I do annotated, right? Yes, when I do annotated, I have the type, the original type, and then I have the constraints, right? It should work. Okay, let's try something else. URL pydantic URL constraint. There's something about URLs in pydantic. That's good. Not required. Host required. Okay. Blah blah blah. Host not file URL. Okay, of course. Redis MongoDSN. Okay. Yeah, it's just examples. I have the feeling that if I look at the pydantic source, I'm going to find how they defined no? Oh yeah. Yes, that's not how you do it. URL, no. Where is it going to be? In networks. Pretty sure this is defined by annotation. This would make sense. This will also be how I do it. Okay. Constraints. Okay, it's underscore constraints. I mean, really? Underscore constraints, that's how you define it? Huh. Really? Is it defined anywhere? No. Maybe that's because I'm not looking at the latest one. No. Not git grep, of course. Yeah, it's not I mean, maybe I am supposed, I may be supposed to use a, huh. Wait. Okay. Yeah, I'm not really at ease with using this internal variable. Doesn't feel like the right thing to do. It should be annotations, but I don't see it used anywhere. Oh, wait, what? Oh. Oh, maybe it's a bug. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh. Hmm. I'm gonna pause here. I need to go to the toilet. Hey, you know what I think? I think I'm getting the error because it wasn't enforced before, and now they fixed it, and we got the new version, and it's enforced, and it's failing. Yeah, that's very likely. So they do say that it's supposed to be done that way, right? So I like this syntax much better. Let's test something like this. Let's test something like this. So any URL constraint, not base model, I don't care. Oh yeah, maybe I do. So I have this URL, which is going to be any URL constraint require equal false. Thank you. And I want to test. What I want to do is dummy URL equal SQLite Of course, this is not great. Trying to VI a C file. Yeah. It works apparently. Okay, so it's happy about this. Why does it fail with mine? Annotated. Oh wait, it should work then. What do I have in my code? Wait, unit tests fast API. So what am I doing here? I'm doing a DB URL, okay, which is basically the same thing. URL constraints, host required equal false. I'm just going to do the same thing, right? Except this is called dummy. Right. And I should be able to just print dummy without an argument because this is the default. Maybe that's why it fails. It fails. Let's see if I give it a default. Fails as well. Let's see if I don't give it a default here. Yes. Okay, so it doesn't like... Okay, so it doesn't like when we give it a default value. I think it's a bug. Because it should work. Those should be identical. Does it fail? Yes. If I define the default value and I do not use it, does it work? It fails. I think it's a Pydantic bug. Is it reported already? What version am I using? Pydantic 2.10.2. Is it the latest version? Yeah, it looks like it. Looks like it. Let's report. Let's craft something that they could do. Does it work with just the annotation? Yes. Let's not do it this way. Line 13. No. I want to make it very easy for admins to oh wait, how does it why does it fail? Huh. Wait, what is this? In dummy with default. So it's failing here. Okay. Why did you print a thing first? Ah, yes, just on import, right? Just by importing it, and I'm running it, and put dpvar is defined here. Okay, so I don't even need this, right? This is entirely optional. And I could just have something that says dummy. What? Oh, maybe I can't override things. I can only... Yeah, maybe the problem is that I can't override any URL constraints. I can only add constraints to it. That's possible. That's possible. So can I override existing constraints? Oh, wait. Okay, maybe that's where I'm wrong. Like you can compose by, you can add stuff, but you can't remove them. Or you can't override. Add or override. Wow. Okay, I'm still not sure about that. That's weird. Let me rewrite this. So this should already fail, right? I don't think it should fail. Okay. I don't think it should fail. Okay, that works. And that doesn't work anymore. Okay, okay, I think we have the reason. I think it's a bug. Let me open a ticket. Redefined model. Okay. Yep, I'm gonna open a new ticket. PyIdentic v2 bug. Yes, I am using PyIdentic v2. Example code. Well, that's easy. Well, not that, but that. Okay, I think that's an issue in Pydantic, and so we can't really fix it. Okay, back to this update that has failed. Let's check that. Okay, yeah, we're back to this one. That is the thing that has been broken by this Pydantic change. Okay, so we can't really fix it now until they tell us if it's an actual bug or if it's us misusing the API, in which case we'll fix our package. But if it's on them, then we'll just wait for a new update. Okay, that was long, but I mean, we reached it. Okay, what about this one? It's an update of... Okay. 0742008. Okay, it's okay, it cannot emerge, and it's failing because... Oh yeah, that's... Wait, no, that's something else. ABC meter is not subscriptable. Let's fix that. Okay, what is this? I probably made a mistake in my last commit. The one that I said fix time, the one that I said should fix typing. Yes, it's failing. Okay. All right. My bad. Should have tested. So what is failing? The unit tests. Okay, let's do that. ABC meta is not subscriptable. What did I do this time? Async operator iterator is a class now. It's not... Okay. Yeah, I changed it from test... Wait, what? Oh. Oh no. Okay, I have to make a switch on the... Oh, crap. I have to switch... Oh, okay. I have to test the Python version. Or I could just drop Python 3.8 and be done with it, because honestly, who's still using that? It's not even... I think it might be even... I think it might be unsupported now. All releases... End of life. It's end of life. End of support. Hey, it is end of life. Let's drop it. Does it work with Python 3.9? Maybe it fails as well, in which case I'll be annoyed. I hope that it's going to pass. Yes! Then I can just drop Python 3.8. Yes, I'm sorry about that, but I'm gonna drop that. Okay, where is it? Yes. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna rebuild the log file. Okay. Nice. I should add a town crier element, like a news fragment for that. So, poetry run, town crier, create. Is it a backwards incompatible change? Not really. I don't think it is really. So, dependency, I suppose. Oh. Dash C maybe for content. I'm always mixing up the two, so. Yes, okay, good. Okay, we have that. Yes. Please. Thank you. Okay, Python 3.8 support gone for the next release. That should make things pass in here. .496, that one? Yeah, that's the one, okay. Okay, what else do we have? Yeah, I need to check that it's actually, it's fixed. But I'll check that later. Yeah, I talked about that, that's fine. The rest, I'm going to... Okay. Hey, wait, what? Can't override, yeah, that's the one. Okay, yep, that's my bug. I'll follow it for next time. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, okay. can look at that later. Oh, that's good news. Then is this... Okay, then I guess it's fixed. Close it. Thank you for notifying me. One less issue. Okay. I think I'm going to stop there. Just make sure that my latest update on SQL Alchemy helpers is not failing. Where are you? What's that? Yes, that's the Pydantic update that breaks everything. Tests are running for... Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, it's all passed. Okay, so my test on Python 3.8 is working. Good. Then I'll be able to rebase the pull requests. Oh, it's already rebasing. Okay, cool. Good, 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 good. So this one should be the easiest one. And it should pass automatically. Yeah, it's still running a couple tests. Oh, build distributions. Yeah, that's going to be fast. And oh yes, those are expected. I need to update my settings in here for the branch protection rules. I forgot that. Oh, I'm still using the old system? Oh yeah, apparently I am. Python 3.8 is no longer necessary. Thank you very much. Yes. Okay. Oh, that was fast. Good. So it's not necessary. Done. Merged. Okay. Good, 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 good. Yeah, so it's all good now. Yeah, of course it's running the changes again. Okay, cool. Well, I'm gonna stop there. We didn't get around to fixing an issue in particular, but we looked at doing some maintenance on the applications with this, which is always something that is useful. So I hope that you got a sort of a small view at what I usually do, which is make sure that all things are working. Okay, if you have any questions, now is the good time to ask them, because I'm gonna close the stream afterwards. Okay, well, thanks for passing by, and I'll see you on the next stream, hopefully next week. See you later, people. Goodbye.